welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to be making spinach and feta muffins.
What you're going to need is six muffin cases. We've put a bit of oil in these, and now what we're going to do is we've prepared our spinach already, which with a little bit of red chilli in that. We've chopped that, and we're going to put that equally between the muffin cases.
That's 2 large handfuls of spinach. We're then also going to add in 30 grams of feta cheese, which is what we've crumbled.
And these are great for breakfast. So a nice little breakfast treat.
Or lunch.
Yeah, or a snack in the afternoon if you fancy it. So we've spread that mixture about, put it equally, pretty much. So this is the start of the muffins.
So what you're going to do now is you're going to sift your flour, baking powder and paprika. It's 140 grams of wholemeal flour and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and it's also a pinch of paprika.
And while Kaina's going to be doing that, I'm going to whisk in a bowl 4 eggs and half a cup of milk. You can use whatever milk you'd like. We're using semi-skimmed milk. What we're going to do now, we're going to add a bit of salt and pepper into our flour, just to give it a bit of seasoning. And then what we're going to do is gradually add in our egg and milk mixture. We don't want to overmix this though. Now we've got our mixture, like I said, it's not overmixed. We are going to very carefully put that into our cases equally.
We're then going to put pine nuts on top. So we've got 1 tablespoon of pine nuts, which we're just going to put on top.
So we're going to sprinkle those over, and when that's done, we're going to put it into an oven which has been preheated at 180 degrees for about 15 minutes, but until they go golden on top, and we'll check them.
Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, then don't forget to like, and if you also try our recipes, then don't forget to send us a photo of what you did to our Instagram. We'll put the link to our Instagram in the description box below. And if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe.
And don't forget to press the notification bell.
Bye!